Do you have gray hair? The first gray hairs usually appear before the midlife crisis, both in men and women. But for women, there seems to be no solution. After all, many are reluctant to have them in their original color. Optimists see white hair as the result of experience, while others attribute it to daily stress. But did you know that there's a natural alternative to pigmenting your hair? This natural dye helps cover gray strands and provides essential nutrients for hair health. You'll need aloe vera and vitamin E. Aloe vera contains vitamins and minerals that nourish strands, accelerate growth, rejuvenate hair follicles, and improve blood flow to the scalp. Did you know that? And vitamin E helps balance hair pH, repair damaged hair, and keep it soft and moisturized. Cool, right? To make this powerful natural dye, mix 1 vitamin E capsule with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel until you get a homogeneous cream. Then apply it to the scalp and massage gently for 5 minutes. Put on a thermal or plastic cap. You can also use a plastic bag if you don't have a cap. And sleep with the mixture on your hair. Rinse it out with cold running water only the next morning. Do this treatment 2 or 3 times a week. Did you like learning how to prepare aloe vera gel with vitamin E to dye your hair at home? If you already knew, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Share this video with someone you think needs to know about it. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.